Hello, I'm Claudia from Harmate.es, and today I'm gonna show you how you can easily apply any watercolor texture to your logo with Photoshop. So I had a client, she just emailed me now. She bought my bundle of textures in Creative Market and she was trying to apply this texture to her logo. So in my other video tutorial, I'm teaching you how you can do it using the seamless styles I created for Photoshop. But if you want to use it with any of the other textures, this is how you can do it. So this is the bundle, this is what the bundle includes, all these textures. And what you need to do is you open your logo and let me show you how is it since the beginning. Okay, so you have your logo. It doesn't matter if it's with colors, if it's in black and white, just you need to have your logo in Photoshop and it has to be in transparent background. So once you have your logo opened, you can go to any of the textures and let's try, for example, with this one. You will just drop it over it, scale it using Shift and Alt and then dragging so that you can scale it without deforming the texture. And once you have it in a size that it's covering all your logo, you will press Intro and pressing Alt between these two layers. If you cannot see the layers panel, you will find it under Window, Layers. But once you have it open, you need to go in between the two layers and press Alt. Then it will appear this arrow, and once you click, this layer will only be applying to the shape behind it. So now you can drag and you can move the texture until it's exactly where you want to be, until it applies perfectly as you like. And that's how you can have your logo with a watercolor texture. Now imagine you want to save this with this texture and use it as a watermark. It's very easy. You just need to go to Edit, define brush preset, and save it. Now if we open any other document, Command N, this size seems okay. We press OK, we can paint the background in white so that we can see, and then we select our brush. We change the color to a nice color, let's say some orange. And we can go here under our brush panel and select the new brush we have created with our logo. We can make it smaller so that it fits, and then once we press, it will come with the texture of the watercolor. So I hope you find it easy, and if you have any questions, please feel free to text me. I really love when you ask me questions and you give me ideas so I can continue helping you. See you in the next video.